What's going on? How y'all doing? It's Georgie C. Back again with another video. And tonight I'm gonna be doing my nighttime routine. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I do every night before I go to bed in order to make sure that my waves are straight and laid down and healthy looking and crispy and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Also, I'm really excited to make this video because I low-key just got a new camera. So, you know, I'm trying to get the standards up a little bit so we can improve the content. You know how it go. So yeah, please like, please share, please subscribe. You know how it goes, and we gonna get right to it. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, the first thing I always do is I wet my hair. Right? You know how it goes. So first of all, I'll probably add some pomade too, just because the hair is starting to get longer. So I'm gonna add some pomade and maybe a little bit of oil too. I added the curl enhancing smoothie this morning, so there's no need for that today, because with the curl enhancing smoothie, you really don't want to use it too much. And regarding the curl enhancing smoothie, if y'all want to watch my review of that, it's a very good product. I'm gonna be the link should be in the top right corner of the screen. Alright, now my hair is wet, so I'm gonna get my pomade. Y'all see it, get a good view of it. Cantu for Men, cream pomade, same stuff I've always been using. So I'm gonna get a dime-sized amount, just like that. Get it in, get it nice, get it in there just like this. Now that that's in there, I'm gonna wet it again, it's starting to get a little dry. Adding my oil. Alright, so now it's time to brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, now I'm gonna go get my do-rag and we're going to wrap it up for the night. Stay tuned. Alright, so now we gonna rag it up. Rag it up. Probably give it one quick brush. Since I didn't put it on immediately. Alright, bet. So we're gonna put this on. .360 waves. Are locked in. Bam. just like that. And now we are good for the night, and I can go to bed knowing that my waves are secure, they're moisturized, and they're laid down. All right, thank you for watching. Please share, please like, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. You already know how it goes. It's your boy Georgie C. God bless. I'm out.